Climber impression. You can do it. You always miss it. Here's Shay on a mission. Kevin said he'd give him 10 cents a fly. Oh, it's okay. You can do it. He's just hungry. And he has 17 flies so far today. Oh, and there's our poor little mountain climber. You hungry, Sammy? No. Get him in the sink, Shay. Only counts if he gets the body in the sink. How many do I have? 8. How many do you have?
None.
Whoa! You better get going.
I'm not in this thing.
Oh.
Ask how many.
Who burped?
Ask how many things has.
Sammy, how many flies did you get today? 2?
Ah,
Well, that's more than Mackenzie. 2. Okay. 2 flies? Okay. Good. Bye.